What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be fishing. Actually, me and my friend Ruari, we're gonna be fishing an urban creek, basically for anything that bites. So let's get to fishing. Have another one?
It's small, bro. Small carp.
What?
It's another small carp. Oh, and he's bleeding. I got just another small carp today. Just another small carp today. Just another small carp today.
Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's go, guys. That's my first fish. Rory's got a fish on the board too. There's literally so many carp running through. Right there, in the middle of the camera. Bro, there's so many carp just cruising through here. Bro, show him your, never mind, I was gonna say show him your feet. But like, bro, he's wearing, he had shoes on, but now he's got socks on. Okay guys, welcome to the other side. It's actually kind of nice over here. I mean, the fish, they're not being very nice. They're not getting on their hooks, so we're gonna catch one right now. Wait, I have one. I have a stick. Bro, it wasn't, the tree branch wasn't even there. That's Pro Shops. Sponsor us. We're leaving Rory back there. He can come back whenever he wants, but we're gonna get a head start at the OG fishing spot, which is up there. Let's go, Rory's got another one. I think it's a bigger one. No, don't get caught up in it.
Yeah, big mother. Right there. Oh.
The dollar store fishing rod challenge did not work at all. But at least we got some fish. If you guys know a lot about carp fishing, if you guys are watching this video, tell me some tips in the comments below. It sucks so bad.
It sucks.
So today, basically we just did an urban creek fishing video. And if you guys didn't watch those other videos, they're gonna be popping up somewhere over here. I don't even know, like it could be anywhere. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See you guys in the next creek adventure. Let's go!